Hello and welcome to today's video. In this session, we are going to talk about a very important topic. How can you get a permanent residency in Canada as a pharmacy assistant in 2025 or 2026? We are going to divide this discussion into three parts. First, we will look at the permanent residency options available. Second, we will talk about how you can actually get a job as a pharmacy assistant. And third, we will discuss what you can do to transition smoothly into this role. Permanent residency in Canada mainly works through two routes, the federal program and the provincial nominee program, also called PNPs. The federal programs are the most straightforward. Pharmacy assistants fall under the healthcare category and healthcare draws are happening regularly. In the most recent healthcare draw, the cutoff score was 470 CRS points. This means that if your score is 450, 460, 470 or higher, you stand a strong chance of receiving an invitation under this category. If you feel confident that your profile can reach this score range, then Federal Pathway is an excellent choice for you. It is reliable, it is transparent, and it includes pharmacy assistants under the Express Entry and Canadian Experience class categories. The second option is through the provinces. Provinces conduct their own draws in two ways. The first type is a group draw, wherever an entire category of occupation is invited, such as the healthcare workers. If a province issues a group of draws for healthcare, pharmacy assistants will be included for sure. The second type is the targeted draw where specific occupations are invited. For example, Ontario has targeted roles recently, such as personal support workers and early childhood educators and assistants, but not pharmacy assistants yet. Does this show a trend? Well, sometimes pharmacy assistants are included in the broad healthcare category draws, but they are not always chosen when provinces target occupations one by one. So, here's the conclusion I would say. If your score is high enough, the federal pathway is often the better option. If your scores for CRS are lower, then you need to keep an eye on the PNP trends in your particular province. Pharmacy assistants are included when healthcare is invited as a group, for sure, but they are not always prioritized in targeted draws, unless it is not an expression of interest-based stream, for example, AIP or RCIP. Therefore, it is very important to follow what is happening in your province and act accordingly to the latest trends. Now let's move on to the second part, how you can get a job as a pharmacy assistant. The good news is that pharmacy assistant courses are available in several colleges. Some programs are as short as 3 months. Many colleges also offer installment plans, which makes it easier to manage the cost. However, you must be very careful about where to study. There is a lot of misinformation and even fraud in the market. Some colleges give you only a piece of paper without proper training. Others are not even approved institutions. That is why you must check whether the college is a DLI approved and whether the program is properly recognized. Another important point is the type of support you get after finishing your course. Some colleges will hand you a certificate and leave you on your own. Others will guide you with resume building, interview preparation, volunteering opportunities, and even job placements. Always choose a program that provides not only theory but practical support as well. And here's one most crucial point: volunteering. Volunteering is very important in Canada because employers want to see Canadian experience. If you volunteer while studying, you will build experience and that will make it much easier to secure your first paid job. Now let's move on to the next part, which is transitioning into the role. Let's talk about what can you do if you are not yet a pharmacy assistant or if you are facing delays in your PR process. Step 1 is to enroll in a proper approved course. Step 2 is to start volunteering while you are still studying. Step 3 is to make use of job placements or job support services from your college. And finally, step 4 is to start working as a pharmacy assistant even if you get a part-time job in the beginning, so that your experience matches the requirements of permanent residency programs. This step-by-step transition will make sure you are building both your career and the PR profile at the same time. Finally, at Skylarks International, we specialize in guiding students and professionals through exactly this kind of journey. We provide genuine and recognized courses for pharmacy assistants as well as for related fields like personal support workers and early childhood assistants. Our pricing is transparent and fair. Most importantly, our programs include not only the theoretical knowledge but also job support, volunteering, assistance, and career guidance. We only partner with approved colleges. You will not face misleading information and you will not get stuck in program that has no value. Everything we offer is clear, practical, and designed to support your long-term immigration goals. If you're interested in exploring this option, you can book a 10-minute consultation call with us through the link below. Or you can simply call us directly at the numbers provided. Our team will be happy to assist you. So, to summarize today's discussion, pharmacy assistant is a very real pathway to permanent residency in Canada. Alongside that, make sure you are completing the right course, gaining volunteering experience, and securing the right kind of job support. If this option matches your profile, then go for it with confidence. If not, you can always consider other healthcare roles such as personal support worker or early childhood assistant, which may be targeted more directly in PNP draws. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this gave you clarity and confidence about your future. See you in the next one. Thank you.